So as I mentioned, we have a really quick activity now, and the point here is to get you thinking about data types and thinking in data types or in terms of data types. So what I'd like you to do is draw or write or just think about a tweets table. So modeling tweets. If you're not familiar with Twitter, that's going to be a tough one, I guess. But basically, there are three things I need you to, at least three things that I want you to model. And these are the columns. So a username. So when someone tweets, let's say I tweet and I don't actually use Twitter, but if I had an account and I called it Coffee Lover Cult, I mean, that's just terrible. But if I did, it would need to be maximum 15 characters long. So how do you specify that? What data type is it? Then the content of the tweet, so whatever the tweet is itself, can't be more than 140 characters. And then the number of people that have favorited that tweet, basically liked it or hearted it. So you don't have to draw it out, but if you want to draw it out in that tabular format and then fill in some fake data or even real tweet data that you find, go ahead and do that. But just think about what these data types are in terms of what we just learned. And there's really only two choices that we saw, so hopefully it's not too difficult. So we'll be right back with a solution. Okay, so let's start talking about the answer. So we had username, which was a maximum of 15 characters. That would be a varchar, and you would put 15 in the parentheses to specify that it's no more than 15 characters. Then we have content of the tweet, max of 140. It's very similar. It's also varchar, it's text, but this time we restrict it at 140 characters. Then we have favorites, which is just a number, so we use int. And then here's some mock data that I added if you want to take a look. We have cool guy who tweeted my first tweet, and that was one person who liked it or favorited it. Then we have guitar queen who tweeted I love music, smiley face, how endearing. And we have 10 favorites on that. And then lonely heart, this sad guy or gal who tweeted still looking for love, and that has 0 favorites because nobody wants to be depressed. All right, so next up, we're going to see how to take these data types and actually tell SQL or MySQL how to implement a table using those data types.